What's up, YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always double salute. Now, today's video, we're actually going to be talking about if you have bad credit, how do you get the $25,000 credit limit increase with bad credit? Okay, and which card do you actually choose in order to get you to that level? Because most people, they're just choosing a card, but they don't know why they're choosing that card, okay? And so I'm going to actually show you the correct card you should be choosing if you're trying to get to that $25,000 credit limit with bad credit. Now, some of the things that you do need to understand in reference to once you join Navy Federal, okay? And when you join Navy Federal and you're trying to get that high limit credit card when you have bad credit, what they're looking at is the open accounts, the income, the monthly rent or mortgage that you're paying, the inquiries, and the utilization, right? However, here's the other side to that people are talking about, but I don't think they really explain it. So I'm going to explain it to you so that you can have a thorough understanding of it. Navy Federal's internal score. Their internal score goes from 100 to 450. Now, how do you get to that 450 internal score when you have bad credit and you're trying to get to $25,000 in funding, okay? Or $25,000 credit cards? Well, here's the thing about it. I always tell you the direct deposits, okay? Making the direct deposits. Also making deposits as often as you can. Then also, if you have bad credit, I tell you to get the pledge loan. Then I tell you to get the end rewards, right? Because the end rewards is only $200. After 6 months, it turns into $2,000, and the pledge loan is for $250, right? So here's the thing about it. When you open up your checking account, I would tell you, don't get the regular checking account. You want to get the flagship checking account, again, because of internal scoring. Now, that does not mean that you will be disqualified if you don't have the flagship account, but it's best that you have the flagship account because you're trying to get the highest internal scoring as possible, right? So you want to get the flagship account. If possible, you may want to either get the money market account. Definitely you want to have a savings account and making deposits into that. So the flagship account, flagship checking account, money market account, savings account, and CDs, okay? Now, all you need is at least 2 of those 4, all right? That's one thing. Now, in terms of history with the bank, if you have bad credit and you're brand new to Navy Federal, of course, because you don't have the long history, they're very restrictive on in terms of how much you may qualify for, all right? Now, I have had clients with a 550 brand new, and again, 550 credit score brand new, but again, they had some of these same accounts, and they received like $2,500 to $3,500 right off the bat, right? But again, it's all because they had certain accounts. Now that's not $25,000, but here's the thing about it, okay? Because they have these other accounts going on, this is what helped them to bypass just even getting the end rewards, the secured card, right? Now, here's the thing that you also should consider. Now, with Navy Federal, your utilization. So if you are with Navy Federal already and you're trying to get up to $25,000, trying to get another card up to $25,000, you definitely should get your utilization down to about 9 to 10%. Not 30%, but 9 to 10%, okay? Now, also having no insufficient funds and making sure you have on-time payments. So with you having bad credit, again, you're trying to build that internal score so you can get that 25,000. Like I said, because there have been people with 530 credit scores getting 25,000, but they had that high internal scoring, which made the difference, right?